Hello everyone! Today I have an unboxing to share with you. This is the first Quota bag I got this year. Let's see which one it is. This small pouch is the lock and the key, and this is the raincoat. Can you guess which bag I got based on the size? Let's open it up. Ta-da! Here it is. This is the Birkin 25 in Etoupe in Togo leather and palladium hardware. So this is the front, this is the side, and this is the back. And at the bottom, there are 4 small feet. Alright, let me open it up and take off the felt and then see what it looks like. There you go. I like this bag so much. I specifically told my essay that I want a palladium hardware. I used to want a bag in Etoupe with gold hardware based on pictures I saw online. But if you watched my last video where I got a Constance to go with Etoupe and palladium hardware, and I fell in love with that combination. So I told my essay that I want a Birkin in Etoupe with palladium hardware. It's so beautiful, I can't stop looking at it. So I found 2 tuiles that I purchased previously, which I thought would be a great match for this bag. Let's take a look. This is the first one, and it still got the tag on it, so I was trying to see if I can show you guys the color in case you like it and want to purchase it. This one has a gray, brown, and beige on it, so I think it's a perfect match for this bag. And then here is the other one. Which one do you think looks better? I like both, but I feel like the gray one probably matched the palladium hardware a little bit better because it has more of a cool tone, while the other one more have like a warmer tone. Here's the lock and keys. I just love this Etoupe and palladium hardware combination. I think I forgot to mention, but this bag is in the Togo leather and it's like the fine grain kind of Togo. And I wanted to show you guys the comparison with my Constance to go, which is in Epsom leather. I'm putting them side by side, so from a distance, I don't really see any differences. It's pretty much the same color, but if I bring them up close, and you can tell that the leather texture is quite different, and the Epsom is a tad bit deeper compared to the Togo. Now let me show you what fits in the bag. The Birkin 25 fits a lot. Just to show you how the inside looks like. So there's a big pocket on one side, and then on the back there's a zipped pocket on the other side. It fits more than my daily essentials. Because it's an open-toed and no zipper, so it can really fit a lot. So let's start with the biggest item. So here is a book that I'm reading recently. So I can fit that in with no problem. Next is my 11-inch iPad Pro, and that fits right in. It's picking out a little bit, but it definitely fits in. Next is my LV cosmetic bag. This one fits all my makeups. I believe it's the 15 centimeter one. Then my super stuffed wallet. Then my key holder. So this is how it looks after I put in everything. You can see that there are still plenty spaces at the top, but it's getting a little bit heavy because of the iPad. And here's the big shawl. I want to show you that you can fit this in, or like a small cardigan would fit in nicely. So that's about it. I like to stretch the side a little bit to make it look even more casual. This is how it looks when it's full. You can see that the side is stretched a little bit, and that's the back. It really has great capacity. So whether I'm going out for shopping or if it's for a short trip, this bag really fits everything that I need. Now I want to show you how it looks on me. A lot of people complain about the short handle on the Birkin 25. I can pull my arm through even with my bracelet if I'm not wearing like a thick sweater or anything. And here's how it looks on me. It's a little bit troublesome to take it off, definitely not as easy and effortless as the Birkin 30 or Telly. But you can definitely wear it on your wrist or on your arm. So I usually just put it on my wrist and not put it too far on my arm. And you can also carry it on your hand. Here, I'm trying to show you a comparison with my other bag, which is a Birkin 25 in black. So both bags are in palladium hardware and in toggle leather, so I thought it might be interesting to see how they're different and show you the comparison. I think my outfit today matches the Etoupe so much better, but I still want to show you the comparison and let you see the differences. So, which one do you like more? Do you like the Etoupe better, or do you like the black better? Here I'm showing you how the twilly can make the bag look more elegant. Alright, so here's the new bag I got. I hope the video was helpful, and thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!